Leica has long been synonymous with precision, elegance, and the timeless allure of the rangefinder camera. For over a century, the brand has maintained its dedication to crafting cameras that combine simplicity with a sense of soul, creating tools that photographers cherish not just for their functionality, but for the experience of using them. Now, Leica is taking one of its boldest steps yet with the introduction of the Leica MV1, an M-series camera that abandons the classic rangefinder in favor of a fully integrated electronic viewfinder. This shift has sparked intense discussion in the photography world. Is Leica moving away from its cherished traditions, or is it redefining the M-series for a modern digital era? Visually, the MV1 carries the iconic M-series design, with clean lines, minimalist styling, and a metal body that exudes quality. Yet, the absence of the traditional rangefinder window immediately signals a new approach. In its place is a 5.76mm EVF, adapted from the Leica Q3, offering bright, detailed previews of your scene, including exposure, focus, depth of field, and even black and white or color simulations. This lets photographers see exactly what they will capture, minimizing guesswork and making the creative process faster and more intuitive. The move to an integrated EVF is not simply about modernizing the design. Leica recognizes the limitations inherent in mechanical rangefinders, particularly when using ultra-wide lenses, telephoto optics, or adapted lenses. With the MV1, framing becomes exact. No parallax issues, no guessing the edges of your composition. It also makes shooting with lenses that have a shallow depth of field far more reliable, allowing photographers to focus with greater accuracy and confidence. Lenses like the Noctilux or fast 75mm primes perform at their best when combined with the precision the EVF provides. Under the hood, the MV1 packs the same 60-megapixel full-frame sensor found in the M11, delivering stunning image quality with rich color, dynamic range, and detail. Storage is slightly reduced from the M11 PS 256GB to 64GB of internal memory, but UHS-2 SD card support ensures smooth workflow for extended sessions. High-speed cards like the OWC Atlas Ultra make it easy to shoot large RAW files without slowing down, maintaining the responsiveness professional photographers require. In terms of handling, the MV1 is slightly lighter than the M11 by around 82 grams, weighing in at 460 grams. This makes the camera more comfortable for extended use, without compromising the solid, premium feel Leica cameras are known for. The leatherette covering borrows a subtle diamond pattern from the Q series, giving it a modern touch while keeping the classic M aesthetic intact. The result is a camera that is elegant, functional, and unmistakably Leica. Shooting with the MV1 introduces a new rhythm. The traditional M-series rangefinder requires skill and patience, aligning split images to achieve precise focus. The MV1 simplifies this process, offering focus peaking, magnification, and full-frame focusing options. Portrait and macro photography become more efficient, as the EVF eliminates the need to recompose after focusing. Even adapted R-series lenses or third-party glass work seamlessly, expanding creative possibilities. There are minor trade-offs. The EVF requires a short startup time, around 2 to 3 seconds, which may frustrate photographers accustomed to the instant readiness of a mechanical rangefinder. Battery life is slightly reduced due to the EVF, but Leica's SCL battery remains dependable for long shooting sessions. The camera also includes C2PA content authenticity, embedding verifiable metadata in every image, a forward-thinking feature that reflects the growing importance of trust and verification in digital photography. Using the MV1 is a hybrid experience, familiar yet refreshing. The pleasure of manual focusing, adjusting aperture, and hearing the shutter click remains intact, but the EVF adds a level of clarity and confidence previously unavailable on M-series cameras. You can preview exposure, depth of field, and color in real time, helping you achieve the exact image you envision. For photographers new to Leica or those who struggle with rangefinder focusing, this provides an accessible, enjoyable experience without compromising the essence of M-series shooting. Some photographers will miss the meditative ritual of using a rangefinder, the tactile alignment and precision that defines the classic Leica experience. But Leica's intention with the MV1 is not to replace that tradition. The MV1 exists as an alternative branch of the M-series, offering a more intuitive workflow for those who prefer electronic assistance or need flexibility in lens usage. It is ideal for studio professionals, portrait photographers, and anyone who values convenience and accuracy alongside the unmistakable quality of Leica engineering. Price-wise, the MV1 is positioned slightly below the M11 and M11P, making it a more approachable entry point into Leica's ecosystem. While it may not carry the collectible allure of traditional M cameras, it offers practical versatility for photographers actively using their gear. Leica emphasizes that the MV1 is not a replacement but a complement, a new way to engage with the M system while retaining the quality and heritage the brand is known for. Field testing in Alba, Italy, demonstrated the MV1's capabilities. Despite rainy conditions, it produced sharp, detailed images with accurate colors and the classic Leica look. Composing through the EVF felt natural, immersive, and precise. Street scenes, portraits, and architectural shots were all handled with confidence, showcasing how the camera can serve both professional and creative needs. Ultimately, the Leica MV1 is less about technological revolution and more about philosophical evolution. It offers choice, accessibility, and versatility, while maintaining the iconic M-series experience in a modernized format. By integrating the EVF, Leica has made the system more approachable for new users and practical for professional workflows, without sacrificing the build quality, design, or image excellence that defines the brand. The MV1 may spark debate among purists, but that is part of what makes it exciting. Leica continues to evolve fearlessly, honoring its traditions while embracing innovation. It challenges conventions, yet remains true to the quality and craftsmanship that have defined the brand for over a century. The MV1 represents a delicate balance, a modern Leica that keeps its classic soul intact, bridging the gap between heritage and progress, and offering photographers a fresh, compelling way to experience the legendary M-series.